We're gonna see how long it takes to fill up an average pint glass with hail. It's gonna take a while. Hey, I got one. Aw, the rain's lighting up now. That's kind of lame. But yeah, all these white spots on the ground, that's hail. The water glass is not filling up as fast as I thought it would. Kind of weird. Ow, ow. That's the hail hitting me, ow. Ow. Hey, I got another one. It's gonna take a very long time to fill up this glass, even though there's a lot of water coming down. I did not plan this well. And this is why we say when it's raining a whole bunch, it's not actually a raining whole bunch. Yep, lots of hail. Look at all that hail.